Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my dashboard layout for October 17th through the 23rd. I am using an outdated planner from 2021 called New Day, so we're going to be redating it. As always, on the left side I'm going to be attaching my own page that I created to track all of the videos and to-dos that I need to finish. And as I'm trimming this, I wanted to say welcome if you are brand new to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome back. I hope you're having fun and thank you for spending more time with me. So I'm going to go ahead and start creating this spread. It is going to be with two sticker books, the Autumn Blooms from Live Love Posh, as well as the squad goals from the Happy Planner. I'm going to be using a lot of oranges and yellows and fall, so I hope you guys like it. I know it's a little bit bright and happy, but fall is super colorful, so we'll go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this little girl and add her to my planner, and then kind of line her with some leaves. And if you guys are hearing little noises of like little paws walking, that's a dog. I'm sitting walking on my hardwood floors and making lots of little funny noises, so that's what's happening. Okay, but let's go ahead and add these leaves up top as well. We're gonna be creating a little bit of like fall scenes here and there, I think. At least that's my hope, so let's take a look. I'm gonna add this girl with the bicycle and the little pet, because again, I want everything cutesy. When you're watching like an animal for someone, it's so much fun, but you also try to do your best because you know it's not your animal. So there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that big flower to Saturday and Sunday. I'm gonna line these sides a little bit and I'll go from there. Oh, I think that looks so pretty. And now I'm gonna add two pumpkins to fill in this space in here. I think that looks great as well. Okay, some flowers. I think that works pretty well. I don't think I'm going to be using boxes in this spread at all. I think I'm gonna keep it as is with all of the florals. So I think that might be fun. And I'm gonna be adding some of these pumpkin layers because I think the colors are just perfect and bring out the whole spread. So I'm gonna add one to like Friday and then one in between all of the boxes. But before I do that, I'm gonna add one more girl. Let's remove that line like so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more of this in here and add a little bit of glue to make sure it stays down, since it's been unstuck for a while. Okay, I think that works. And now I'm gonna take all of these like little things up here, like these pumpkins and all of that stuff, and spread it around the pages. I think that might be a little bit of fun. So those are tiny like acorns that I'm adding all over. I'm gonna add some leaves by this little girl, and we're gonna like make it in a direction of some kind of wind, I think. So let's take a look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add another little girl with a dog. It's like two of them walking, little doggies. And then I'm gonna add more of these little decorations in here to fill in the empty spaces. Okay, and some tiny leaves, like these are super tiny. And then some bigger ones, some acorns and stuff like that. And I think I want to add a couple more leaves as well. So let's go ahead and add this maple leaf, like blowing down and so on. I think that looks really good too. And as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of my last giveaway as well. I apologize, it took me a long while for sure. It's just I've been so busy with this dog sitting and a couple things happening at the house and life happened. So I apologize for the delay, but nevertheless, it is here and I will do it. So as always, I am going to be adding a web page with a certificate saying that it was done randomly. And we'll go from there. So I'm gonna add one more girl right here. Yeah, I think that looks really fun and good, and I think it's such a fun fall whimsical spread. So I'm gonna add one more flower maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks good. Bringing in a little bit of that green and a yellow right there. So autumn blooms, squad goals, and then I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Now let's go ahead and announce the winner. Thank you so much for joining me. So the giveaway winner is manifestingqueenthangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and contact you and link to you on Instagram as well. But congratulations and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.